Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over the notes and the fingering for a formula pattern scale in the key of A harmonic minor. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review the notes for an A harmonic scale, and they are Do is A, Re, B, Me, C, Fa, D, So, E, La, F, T is G sharp and Do. So we've got that augmented second big stretch between fingers 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 in the left hand. This scale will use fingering crossing under 3, crossing under 4, and crossing under 3 with both hands. So the things that you want to keep in mind to play these scales well are the hands moving in a parallel scale? So same notes and same direction, up or down? Or are they moving contrary motion, out or in, like this? Often in contrary motion, you'll cross under with the same fingers, but the black keys will not necessarily happen at the same time, because one hand is going up, one hand is going down. So the hands are moving opposite directions. So if you take a look at that chart above, you'll see the organization of the formula pattern scale. So the lines together, those are our parallel sections. So our first section is up, so hands move together. Then we have an out and in. It looks like a diamond on the chart. So out, in, then another parallel, up, down, out, in, and then parallel to end, down. Now we're going to lock in all those changes with a short and long rhythmic technique. It's going to look like this. Starting parallel, hands moving together. Now right hand's going to continue on up. Contrary, left hand changes direction, out and in. Now in, contrary. Left hand continues up, parallel. And down. Left hand continues down, right hand switch direction, out. Contrary. And in. Contrary. Now right hand continues on down, parallel. Now we'll do that straight through without the rhythms. Here we go. Up. Contrary, out. In. Up. And down. Out. In. Down. Now you'll see if you take a look at the chart above, the only thing that changes between 2-octave formula pattern scales and 4-octave is the length of a segment. So when we had 2 octaves, our segment was 1 octave. 1 octave in, 1 octave out, and so forth. So now, when we do the 4-octave pattern, each segment is 2 octaves. 2 octaves up, out, in, then up and down, out, in, and down. Here we go with 4-octave formula pattern. Up, parallel, 1 more octave, right hand keeps going out and in, and contrary, in, and then left hand keeps going up, parallel, and down, and left hand keeps going contrary, out and in, Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of A harmonic minor. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, or quick piano tips. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments section, and please subscribe. Thanks again for watching.